Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting the essentials in order. Organize league stash tabs and note which items you will list. Once done, open the trade site or enable your trade macro and ensure it matches the league. Inspect each item closely. Identify key mods, socket/link configuration, quality, and whether it is corrupted, because buyers filter by these specifics. Make quick notes of reasonable currency expectations based on recent sales, and prepare screenshots or clipboard text for fast listings. You now craft the listing. Search for comparable items using precise filters so you understand current market median price. Once you see patterns, set a competitive buyout and allow room for offers. Enter the price into the stash note or item message so traders see it immediately. Use a clear public message stating price, league, and stash tab/slot. This reduces questions. While listings run, monitor whispers and adjust price slightly if you get no traction. Small changes move items faster. You finish by meeting the buyer, confirming the item name, mods, and agreed price before opening the trade window. This avoids scams. In the trade interface, both sides must display the exact currency and items. Count coins slowly and don't accept until everything is correct. If something goes wrong, cancel the listing and relist with corrected notes, clear chat spam, or check your macro and league settings. These fixes resolve most listing or communication errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.